Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing ADHD from Dogman. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing a large circle for the shape of the body. And then inside, let's draw a curve across the center. Next, we're going to hop underneath and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 curves down on the left, and the same on the right. And then let's add a curve across underneath. Now inside each of the legs, let's draw some curved stripes. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the feet. Let's start underneath and let's draw a curve down on both sides like this. Then from the other side, let's bring it out. And then let's draw 3 bumps down for the toes. And then a line across to close off the feet. Now let's draw the sandals. In between the 2 bottom toes, let's draw a thick black line. And then a thick angle up and down. Now for the shape of the sandal, let's draw a curve along the toes. And then curve it across the bottom of the foot and back up. And then color the sandals in black. And that's it for the feet. Now let's hop up and let's draw the arms. Let's start on the top left and let's draw 2 long curves down. And the same on the right side. And then let's close it off at the bottom with a curve across. Now let's hop inside each of the arms and let's draw some curved stripes. Next, let's hop underneath and let's draw the hands. Let's start with a curve out on the left and the right. And then 2 more fingers underneath like this. And that's it for ADHD. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!